hinges.
Oh, good.
They're in the
Perfect.
truck. These are gonna have to come off
Yeah.
because I haven't put the skirting on.
No, and I want them off to finish going around the bottom.
And we need to put the proper hinges. And you're gonna have to get all the glass over.
Okay.
Yesterday, I was hemming and hawing about doing it before we started building.
Right.
Just wasn't sure how it was going to look because when I was looking at screen doors online, the idea that I had for the sides here, I thought, oh, it's not really gonna match it and really go with the look. But now that I found these older doors, I'm gonna go back to my drawing board of my first idea that I had to do something for the side here to really tie it in with these older doors. And I have tons of scrap wood left, so I can totally do it and not have to buy anything else before I start painting. And I don't think it will take me that long, so I'm just doing like a box frame.
I'll help you take the doors off right now.
Okay, and then we can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
I hate working with broken glass.
I wish I would have been able to leave it there, but because they were closed, I didn't have that sorting thing to put it in. So this was not very good to bring it home, but I didn't really have any other option at the time. Oh, I feel like this is an accident waiting to
I
happen.
know. As long as it doesn't cut me.
Oh. Darn.
Dang. Okay. We're getting somewhere.
Too bad they weren't intact.
I know. It's a shame, but
We can make it work still. Is it going through or you have the rubbers on?
I have the gloves on. I don't think it could go through, but
Well, I mean, it could if you tried hard, but
yeah. I'm being very careful.
it's actually coming out pretty good from the inside. So a few of the spots that the glass is in the runners, we can get it out once we lay them flat, right?
Yeah, like if I just go really nice here, look at this. Get a big chunk out here.
Yeesh.
Don't jinx myself. There we go.
Ooh, nice. Nice.
I was so good at operation when I was a kid. I'm not bragging, I'm just saying. If I was to play, I'd probably beat you.
Dayton just told me he has board game day at school tomorrow and that he's going to take a board game.
Aww.
Operation would be a good one to take.
Okay, what do you think? First off, I need to get this.
Get that little piece
dagger.
out so you don't get your wrist on it.
Arm. Yeah, or wrist. Oh, it was big.
There's some in the bottom corner too.
I get to do it again. Feels good. That one was really good.
Mistakes were made.
Elysia's reframing the front of the greenhouse because, like typical fashion, it wasn't perfect. So now it's perfect.
Well, with the old doors and then shifting everything on the greenhouse, this side wasn't exactly identical to that side, although the doors fit, and that was
Right.
going to drive me crazy. So we've just taken down this part. So I'm just readjusting a couple of these pieces so that both sides are identical and then the doors will fit perfectly centered in the middle. I feel like with swinging doors, doing the dual doors, it's so much more important. And since the plans came for a 36-inch door, we're now adding 48-inch sections of door here. So we need to make some changes. And so I kind of just winged it yesterday and it was a little bit off. So I want to fix it up. Finally time to get some paint on the greenhouse. And I know that you've been dying to know what color I've decided to paint it. And I said it was a pretty out of the box color. And I've decided that we're going to paint the greenhouse.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Black. Jet black.
Oh, yes. That's going to look so good.
We have a really dark house, and I know from painting our front porch white that we get a lot of like green moss and kind of like that damp vibe around here. And so I thought a white greenhouse is going to look terrible in a couple of years. And so I thought a black greenhouse would look great. And I Googled and like looked up and researched black greenhouses, and they're kind of amazing. So totally gonna go with sort of the modern vibe with the vintage of the doors. I think it's gonna look really cute. Plus, it's gonna help hide that. The white probably was gonna be a little harder.
Yeah, let's
Can't
go.
change your mind to white after I paint this
Oh
black.
no, I want it black. Oh yeah.
I will go around and do this part once we get everything settled because I still want to do some trim work on here, but I don't want the paint to not be underneath also. So we'll figure that out tomorrow, but get some paint on here.
Looks amazing.
I was just thinking, at some point I'm gonna wish I had that height growth surgery.
Oh my gosh.
How am I gonna get up there? Oh, I might need that extra 6 inches they were offering. I don't know.
Oh honey. Wow, it looks divine.
I love the black.
Mm-hmm.
And with all the greenery and the colors of the garden, I just think that that will speak for itself, and it will be like a blank canvas kind of. And I feel like there are so many white greenhouses, and I did love all of the suggestions that were made, like green greenhouse, or some people thought we were gonna do maybe like a barn red or an Elysia blue, but I thought that was just so expected.
Right.
And I thought I really want to do something that's gonna look clean all the time, because I think if we do a white one, especially with the way that we get all that moss and like, what is it, like green?
Yeah, no, it's moss.
Right?
Yeah.
It grows on our window ledges and we have to wipe it all off on all the white framework of the house and on the white painted deck. So I feel like black, although we might get some moss, it's gonna
Well,
be
we
a
are
lot easier to
coastal
clean.
and we do have the brook, right?
Yeah.
So we're a really high moisture area. And everyone was
Kinda
saying,
love
what do
it.
you have to protect? What are you going to do to protect? So we are painting it.
Yeah, this is actually like a paint and the clear coat all in one, and it's for harsh Canadian winters. So I am going to do 2 coats on the whole greenhouse. This is just going to be sort of like a quick overcoat, and then I want to paint the doors. And then tomorrow I want to add some framework that I'm going to do around the sides and then paint that. I just thought if I didn't paint the base first and then put that on, that in the light you would see a little bit of the raw wood underneath. So that's why I'll leave that step until tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I kind of love the black. Let me know, what do you think of the black? I am going to paint the cinder block sides black, so that's going to all look the same, right?
Yeah.
Bought 1 gallon. I thought maybe that would be enough. Didn't notice what was in the can still.
Quite a bit, I think,
Is
right?
there?
Yeah. Half a can, maybe a little bit more.
Well, we haven't painted the whole thing, but the framework, this takes most of the paint, right?
Yeah, it was soaking in on the other side quite a bit.
ducks are trying to do my ending for me. So we're gonna keep working and painting until we literally can't see anymore and it gets pitch black out as we paint with our black paint. I think that the black looks really classy and I think it's gonna last us a long time. Let me know what you think of the black paint. I'm also have picked up an actual solar light that I think is gonna be great for the greenhouse. And I'm just debating on whether or not it should hang just out front, kind of overlooking the 2 open front doors, or if it should hang on the inside in the middle. And then keep in mind that I'm also going to be building shelving and some stuff that's gonna go in the inside, and we're gonna be putting in a floor in this as well. So it's gonna be kind of like an interior living space. So just keep that in mind when you're thinking about should it be on the outside or the inside, but I wanna know what you guys think. Anyways, we love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna get up bright and early tomorrow and do another day of our greenhouse build.